I'm still wishing on shooting stars, begging you to come back. Think of how far we've come together, made it through the stormy weather. You still left me broken and in pain, all alone in the rain. You stopped texting in the morning, forgot to say goodnight. I knew that I lost you, but for some reason I still fight, with logic telling me to let you go. But I just need to let you know I love you and everything that you do. But I guess it was too soon for her, and I love you too. So I'm alone again, out in the rain. This time I'm not the one to blame. You were my pink cloud in a blue sky. I wanted my tears and fears to run and hide, but I guess it wasn't meant to be. Were you ever in love with me? You were my flower, you were my sunshine. Happiness was a well that could never run dry, but all good things come to an end. I really lost my only friend. I hate that I'm still wishing on shooting stars, begging you to come back. Think of how far we've come together, made it through the stormy weather. You still love me broken and in pain, all alone in the rain. You wish me well, I wish you hell. You were my everything, the reason I laughed or smiled, the reason that life was even worth my while. And I know there's no getting you back, but what does she have that I lack? I want to know, I want you to tell me, is there something that you could sell me to get you off my mind? I'm sick of this, I'm fine, pantomime. I hate that I'm still wishing on shooting stars, begging you to come back, thinking of how far we've come together, made it through the stormy weather. But you left me broken in pain, all alone in the rain, under an umbrella of hate and despair. And now I can't go home because I know that you'll be there. I hate that I'm still wishing on shooting stars, begging you to come back, think of how far we've come together, made it through stormy weather. You still left me broken and in pain, all alone in the rain. I hate that I'm still wishing on shooting stars, begging you to come back, think of how far we've come together, made it through the stormy weather.